So it's given the right angle ABC, what is the value of tan A? So this is, and I'm not given any lengths here, right? So this is kind of a more of a conceptual question. This is ABC. What is the value of tangent A? So this is tangent A here. So and then we look at their solution here. I'm gonna maybe I'll define these as I'll define these two things here. So again, this here from A to B, this is AB. So I'm gonna do this in blue. This is AB. From B to C is BC, and then from A to C is AC, right? And that's what you're kind of familiar with here. So tangent of A equals tangent of A is TOA, right? Opposite over hypotenuse, or adjacent, sorry. So opposite OPP over adjacent TOA, right? So what is the opposite of this angle A here? Opposite of that is BC, right? So which is tangent A would equal BC over adjacent here. Adjacent to this angle would be AB. So this here is my correct answer. BC over AB will be my answer for tangent A. And this here is my correct answer, right? Tan A equals BC over AB is the required answer, right? So I'm doing a length of perpendicular. So again, it's the opposite over the length of the base, which is the adjacent, right? So that's good. Opposite over adjacent, that's the correct answer here. So again, this here is a perfect solution and analysis. Again, these are all just trig.